This is Toondoo, and it's similar to Go Animate in that you are taking written language and turning it into something visual. Instead of animating it, you're turning it into a comic strip. Students really like this because you can create your own comics, you can make your own book, you can make your own character. You know, they love anything that they can customize. So this is, I've logged in, and now I can look at all sorts of different things. The make a character seems to be most popular with students, and you just sort of start off with something like this and you can customize it. You can see I've got all these different options I can pick from, and there are many different skin hues to choose from, which personally I find very important. And I wanted to show you what a finished one might look like. So this is a really excellent one by another student. I just typed in social studies, and this is of course about the French and Indian War. So you can see it starts off, the French and Indian War took place in 1754 to 1763, fought over ownership of land in North America. The war was between the British and the French, so nice, excellent little indicator here of who it was. And you can continue on and look at everything. Oh, that just goes on to another comic, but some comics are multi-panel, so when you click this, it'll show you the rest of the panels. In this case, it was just 3 panels, and they summed up the French and Indian War, which isn't too bad when you think about it. So it's a great little tool, and kids really enjoy it. Nice little demonstration of understanding.